Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Spend a day with me as we celebrate my sister's Lobola. So here it was just in the morning while we were preparing and getting ready for the day. And this is how the yard looked like. We had a tent for the shade and the sound was being prepared. Because we were expecting some visitors, we did a nice setup for our visitors. I also made some milk for my kids. You know that I am a mom. And yeah, these are family ladies who were cooking for us. Here is the meat. We were having chicken for the day. And the ladies were having some tea while they were busy chopping some vegetables. I was part of the bridesmaid, so here I was just preparing our clothes for the day. I was ironing our tops. Yeah, so this is what I was doing. In between things, I was babysitting. Finally, our visitors had arrived. When the session guys has started, so they were entering the yard, and as you all know, they paid some monies just to get inside the yard. So yeah, that's just that, guys. The session, so yeah, my sister was also getting ready on the other side. The makeup session had started. This is the father of the bride, and here they were done with the negotiations. So yeah, my sister was ready. Clock it. She looked gorgeous, guys, as you all can see. And more mama mutusha lokela badges was done. I am the in-laws by mona. So yeah, just before we went to photo shoot, I said, let me grab some meal, and this is what I had. And we had Stanley as our photographer for the day, so he was doing some setup for the photo shoot. So yeah, the photo shoot had started. We took pictures, and then here we were leaving Risha Mwichi guys. Believe me, you all, when I say my sister was happy. And here I was playing one of her favorite songs, but unfortunately because of the copyright I cannot let the audio play. So yeah, here Abudu was just expressing his happiness for our sister. Bona jwalo ko go botsa ka tedi ngwana ka re fihlile jwalo kwa ga tshia ngwana ba le tedi wa tsare keng ai ntshitse ka matonse ngwana ka. Anyways, just have a look at the bridesmaid. They looked gorgeous with our makeup artist, and we had another photo shoot, and just like that our day was over. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in our next vlog. Bye.